Jennifer here with City Farmhouse Antiques, and I am here with some great decorating ideas for Easter. And I absolutely love these top hat rabbits. They are in a black and white check design and are super popular. We've had customers waiting for these. We finally got more in stock and they are ready to ship out, but they're just adorable. And they come with a pot on the top. They don't come with the flowers, so you have to do your own decorating, but these are real touch tulips that I chose to put inside mine, and they feel real, they look real, and I love tulips. It's one of my favorite flowers, but they don't last very long. I've thought about putting them up on the website to sell. Tell me what you think, and if we should start selling these real touch. This is another real touch tulip. Look at the color, they're just gorgeous, but these are the long, they would be Darwin tulips probably. So anyway, these, you have an insert where you can put pop a different little plant in here, a little pot of daffodils, tulips, anything you like. But these would make a beautiful table display for Easter. And so this is one of this style. So if you're one of those customers that ordered maybe the top hat rabbit last year, you may want one of these others to go with your set this year. Let me put another one up and I will show you. We've got this adorable little bunny right here with his clock. And he's part of the same style. There his little clock is going. He's part of the same style and the same set of black and white rabbits. And what I'd probably do with him is use him as a centerpiece too, or maybe you buy the top hat rabbit as a table centerpiece and then you put him over on the table, maybe where you've got your food and where you're serving and entertaining. But I think he would be adorable with a little teacup full of colorful jelly beans, or you could put a little flower in there or something, and then have him, since he's a little bit smaller, over by where you're serving or somewhere else and entertaining. If you have grandkids, I think they would get a real kick out of any of these bunnies. And this little guy, well, I say little, this is the tallest one. He's about 2 feet tall. And this is also part of the set. This is the teacup rabbit. And look how cute he is. And so I put these little faux floral balls. You could get some of the spring moss covered balls, you know, that have that spring green. Or you could fill them with jelly beans, you could fill them with candy, and I just set them right there on top is what I do. So they don't come with these again, but you can decorate them however you like. And I think this set of rabbits is adorable with this new table runner that we just got in. And the table runner is a black and white check. It's much longer than this. I have it folded over just because this is a tiny table. But look how cute these rabbits are. So they've got the little jute tail, and then you've got almost like a little white needle point kind of design silhouette of a rabbit on both sides. They're on both sides like that, but they just make this whole table pop. Isn't that cute? So there's a set of 3. They're all sold individually, but they're a set of 3 different styles of these black and white rabbits that are all super, super cute. And then the other thing is, some people don't think about it, but going through your different pieces. This is an antique rose bowl. And look how these antique pieces really can make your table pop. You know, especially when you put them with fresh flowers of different colors. The spring colors are always so pretty. But you can use depression glass, you can use old plates, and use a new table runner, something with a contrast, and really make your table pop. This is another piece of carnival glass, but you can see the green and how cute that is up against the table. Just different colors in the spring colors, the greens, the pinks. It's fun, and you can find the plates too, and just mix and match different antique pieces. I'm going to show you a couple more bunnies that we just got in. Again, doing this one-handed. Look at the color on those tulips. I just love them. This little guy was the bunny of the year, and this is our velveteen rabbit. And look how cute he is. There's a little bird that's up on his shoulder, but he has a jacket made out of velvet. He is just a little cutie, and there's his little tail. But he would be a cute little tabletop display too. And here's a good, I mean, you can really see how that black and white really goes with everything. That little black and white check table runner. Isn't he cute? And he's a tall bunny too. He's probably a good 18 inches or taller. And then this is another cute little piece I wanted to show you. It's a table, it's got its own little table runner, but it's got a pillow. And it's another, I mean, it's another type of table set. But see, this has a different look to it completely, but it has also the little jute tails, the little carrots. So it gives you a different color if you're not into black and white. This is another idea that I think is really cute. Oh, and it happens to go with this cute little guy. I think he's adorable. This is a little Cecil grass rabbit. Look how cute he is. He'd be cute as a little tabletop display for your Easter dinner too. Something that the grandkids, you know, or the kids that are in the family would just absolutely love. And he's carrying a little basket full of carrots, of course. There you can see the back of him. Isn't he cute? He's just as cute from the back as he is from the front. But actually, he's adorable with this little set with the carrots, which I hadn't even thought of. So anyway, those are some cute little decorating ideas for your Easter holiday table. And you know, a lot of these bunnies can be used all season. This little one right here with the carrots, he can be used really all season. And so many people are into bunnies. You know, this style with the carrots can be used. Well, even the black and white check can be used, you know, before and after Easter. So those are some fun little ideas I wanted to share with you today. And tell us what you think. Tell us, message us, which bunny is your favorite? What do you like, the black and white or the carrots? We will see you next week, and check out all of our cute pieces at www.cityfarmhouseantiques.com, where we have more than just antiques. And be sure and go sign up for our newsletter so you can see all of our new finds, all of the great things that we're, the neat things that we're continuing to list and get in at City Farmhouse Antiques.